Significant updates for 2023 incorporate similar changes made to the Yamaha's current YZ250 motocrosser to improve on key areas and provide an even more competitive, well-rounded package. Rider ergonomics are more narrow and substantially improved through new integrated body panels, slimmer shroud width, and flatter seat. These changes allow greater freedom of movement front to back and easier weight transfer for improved control. Along with the slimmer, more aggressive bodywork, a new front and rear fender design and a new graphics scheme highlight the race-focused YZ lineage. Premium graphics are now embedded to provide improved durability and scratch resistance. Additionally, updates to the seat and bodywork also enabled a new, straighter intake design, allowing a more efficient intake path to the engine for improved low to mid-range pulling power. The YZ250X's suspension performance improves with revised front and rear damping characteristics to enhance bump absorption and cornering agility. The fully adjustable speed-sensitive system KYB 48mm inverted front fork receives new internals and newly adopted scraper between the dust and oil seal, while the revised, fully adjustable KYB rear shock features reduced friction Kashima code internals. Settings are specifically tuned to meet the harsh demands of cross-country competition. A revamped brake setup features a more rigid front caliper, larger front pistons, and redesigned 270mm front rotor that increases pad contact area. A redesigned rear rotor drops the outer diameter from 245mm to 240mm, reducing unsprung weight. The 2023 YZ250X uses the same liquid-cooled YPVS-equipped 249cc two-stroke power plant as its YZ250 stablemate, but with YPVS characteristics, exhaust timing, and compression ratio optimized to improve ease of use in the low to mid-RPM range for improved cross-country performance. Additionally, clutch durability is enhanced through a new friction material with excellent heat resistance characteristics ideal for long-distance racing. Finally, premium lightweight Excel wheels combine with high-performance Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires, a cross-country oriented 18-inch rear wheel size, wide ratio gearing, a standard aluminum side stand, a sealed O-ring chain, and a reserve fuel petcock.